One thing you know about over here is that we really appreciate everybody that I review. All the videos that I react to. I'm giving them credit. If I didn't, hey, I'm sorry, I meant to. So we got MILESPERHR. Thank you, Miles. I've been watching you for like, what, 3, 4, 5 years? But never recording the videos with my cousin on the TV. We just be watching videos when we were probably, faded. And it would always be a great time, because we just manifesting it. And now we're in the steps of about to make it happen. So it starts at ground zero. And I thank everybody for letting me have this opportunity.
To that Mclaren 765.
Little baby. And yes, I do want to own this very soon.
LT Spider. We are going to take it for a drive, but first, let's check out how it looks on the inside and outside.
Beautiful.
Now, this one right here has a ton of optional carbon fiber, some visible, some not. So, like the hood, for example, is all in carbon fiber, but it's painted in this body color matching ambit blue. I love this color, by the way. They left the heat extractors in exposed carbon fiber. The eye sockets are also in exposed carbon fiber. You get your LED daytime running lights and LED headlights there. Tons of ducts to manipulate the airflow. Jutting front splitter, also in carbon fiber.
Like, just imagine having this car and just, like, one of my favorite feelings about a car is that you finna play a song that you really love. The car is clean. Speaking of that, I gotta wash my car because it just got dirty from this damn rain, and I do not want it to get dirty. So let's go, because I forgot I gotta do
You've got these ducts here to cool the front wheels and brakes.
Wow, those
functional
huge brakes.
louvers up top. This one has the optional ultra lightweight wheels, and they save about 50 pounds as a set. 19s in the front, 20s in the rear, and they're wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. These things are a half step away from racing slicks. And they're 245 section front, 305s in the rear. Within the wheels, we see standard carbon ceramic brakes with 6 piston calipers in the front, these ones painted in blue to match the car. Carbon fiber for the door mirrors, optional carbon fiber tonneau cover. And when the roof is up, there's a little bit of storage underneath that. Gotta love the
Like, this looks so amazing with the top down. God, I can't wait to get this.
Buttresses. Stepping back to look at the profile. The long-tail versions of the Coupe and Spider are 2.2 inches longer and a 1/4 inch lower than the 720. And they look it. There's more of a land speed vibe going on with these cars.
Yeah, I love those.
At the back.
God.
Can't miss.
This is so hard.
The jutting fins just behind the rear wheels. And the big, brash diffuser, also in carbon fiber.
It's huge.
The long tails get a larger rear wing, active, like the 720, and quad titanium exhaust ports to save weight and give this car a distinctive noise. I also feel like when you approach the 765 from the rear, I want to do it with my hands up, like, please don't fire upon me. The car is just a menace, though. All the body panels.
I would just, when I get mine, I'm going to paint it. Not paint it. Either wrap it super all black, just matte it. And just black and yellow it.
Scream weapon. Yet somehow,
or yellow and black.
The Spider version has this civility to it. Now we need to get in, raise the roof, and take a look at that. To raise the roof, I just pull this tab back. And the process takes about 11 seconds.
Wow. That's cool. That's clean.
And it's just about silent.
Wow.
Now with the lid raised, the 765 LT Spider looks like a spitting image for the Coupe up until you get right around here, because the Coupe has a continuous piece of glass that comes down into some polycarbonate, whereas the Spider has those recessed cowls.
I love that.
Either way, top, up, or down,
I love
the 765 LT Spider looks amazing.
Hell yeah.
Now let's lower the roof and take a peek at the interior. To drop the top, we now press forward on that tab. And just as quietly and quickly as it came up, it goes down. You can do this at speeds up to 31 miles per hour as well. Reach in to open up the dihedral or butterfly doors and feel awesome while doing that. This
Look at
cab
all
is
that
clad
Alcantara.
in black on midnight blue Alcantara. See the blue perforations on the seat,
Wow.
blue contrast stitching,
See?
765 LT embossed on the headrests of these carbon fiber buckets that you can
seats.
slide forward and backward, but you cannot raise or lower. It's hard to tell the blue from the black Alcantara in the shade.
I like when I can raise my seat and lower it because I like to sit either. Sometimes, honestly, I notice even when you sit high, it does kind of feel better. But then sometimes I'm like, I want to sit low. It's debatable. Now let's go to the drive. Alright. Honestly, I just want to see it on the cane because he's gonna drive it hard. And hey, why not?
Version of this. 2, the Bugatti Chiron. And that's...
Yeah, so this should be an amazing drive right now. So let's enjoy it. Let's sit back and relax. No, we ain't looking up good. No. Let's go.
That's some pretty incredible company.
I just love how
My heart is pounding so hard right now.
guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait.
So the steering
Wait.
is...
Hold on.
This is gonna... Porsche.
Wait. This is live.
Oh. I was not ready.
Oh, so basically, the camera, the GoPro couldn't handle all the G-force from the car. Shit, it was a lot. That's why I was like, damn, it looked like he was in an earthquake.
The next scooter just appears in front of you, despite it feeling like it's so far away. It's just there. You have to get on the brakes, and then you're very thankful. But it's just so freaking good.
God, this would be so fun to do. Shit, I might do this every day. And maybe not a cane drive every day, but I'm gonna find some roads just because that's how I am. Like, I'm gonna just find some roads, drive, you know. You don't live long. That's one thing I'm gonna say. You really don't. And people have died so many times from cars. In any ways, like, if you didn't know, like, your death date, you would definitely live the life that you are supposed to. Not the life that everybody wants you to.
In the rear view mirror, watch that active rear wing. Power up under braking to introduce all this extra downward pressure, and then scoot right back down to allow for full pop. Faster acceleration.
I mean, the handling is immaculate. Immaculate.
This car is such a force.
He's going 100 downhill. Like, that is not easy. If I know where he is, I think he's in Angeles Forest.
Super tight technical stuff this car can do. But when it has a chance to carry more speed through the corner, the active arrow.
Like, this is just a crazy, like, vehicle right here. I'm damn near getting goosebumps watching it because I'm seeing how it just, like you said, it floats in and through the corner. Not like just gotta brake hard and nah. Even though some 4s and 3s drive like this, but this is just super light. At this point, like, you probably, like you said, that's why it's hard. It's probably pounding through his chest because you feel like, damn, there you go, fly through the car. But this is very safe. Cool. See? That's why it's worth buying this.
He looked like a hero, which I'm clearly not.
Turbos, like just hearing them just winding up every time he's like slowly putting his foot on the gas. Is he in manual mode or no? Oh, he is, yeah.
I'm not gonna cry, but I feel like it.
See? This
I've
type
driven a lot of cars since 2020. Easy cover. When I drove the 765 LT Coupe. I didn't do that in track mode, by the way. It could get better. The suspension could get perfect. The drive could get better. I've driven a lot of cars since the 765 LT Coupe. And at the time, I said that was the most insane, fastest, best car I'd driven that was street legal.
wow. See?
And I kind of thought, all right, yeah, in about 2 years' time, I'll have driven something that's better.
Nope.
And I have.
It's this.
It's this car. It's this car because it's all very nearly as fast as that 765 LT with the additional 113 pounds of weight. It's something negligible. Very nearly as fast. And yet I did all of that without a roof.
Exactly.
So I could hear
Oh my god.
that twin turbo V8.
Oh, this is a
All the
V8.
better.
Oh shit. Wow.
And so, the 765 LT Spider has become my new favorite car
See? I gotta
that
drive
I've
this.
driven. Still dream car, Ford GT,
Wow.
first generation, 2005. Just give me that car any day of the week. But this car, a car I could go buy, I mean, conceivably, if they're only making 765 of them, I am so far below the level of income to buy it. They're $380,000 to start. I'm pretty sure they already sold out of all the Spiders. They definitely sold out of the Coupes. So it's not a car I could ever afford, but as a car you could conceivably go buy, this is my favorite.
Hey, let's not say you can never afford that. Yes, you can. You know, things will happen. And maybe just take a risk. Just a sec, let me see what else. Okay, so that pretty much was a video. Thank you, Miles. I mean, that was an amazing drive. He drove that shit like it was supposed to be. If he drove it any faster, his ass probably would have been off the can. That was cool. I like that. Yeah, thank you. And the crazy part is not, I just see a video like he did a Kia, and like he doesn't just do supercars, so this is a real car reviewer right here. Thank you for watching.